Hey everybody, and welcome to the Weekend Cruiser. I am so glad that you have stopped by. Whether this is your first video or maybe you've seen a ton of Weekend Cruiser videos, I wanted to say a quick hello. Here at the Weekend Cruiser, you can expect that I'm going to be delivering you authentic and genuine content. It is my goal to help you prepare for your next upcoming cruise, or maybe it's your next 100th cruise. We're going to help you prepare and know what to do there. Now, I'm going to do that in a few different kinds of videos that I seem to really gravitate towards. The first is pro tips, walking you through what I have learned from going on that cruise many different times and just from being around cruise ships. The second way that we're going to do this is I'm going to walk you through ship tours. So I'm going to give you the lay of the land on all the ships that I go on. So when you get here, you'll know where to go, you'll maximize your time, and you're not going to miss out on anything. We're also going to do some room tours, like the room that I'm in now. I'll share with you the pros and the cons of this room so you can see if that's going to be a good fit for you. I'm also going to do some frequent floater. What is the life like being a frequent cruise ship guest? I'm going to share some of those thoughts. In addition to every now and again, I'll throw an opinion piece in there, but don't worry. I will certainly make sure that you know that it's only my opinion, and I always welcome other people to chime in and share other opinions to show that mine is not the only one that is out there. I also have a strong passion for, first of all, people going on their very first cruise. And so I've done a lot of cruises, and I want to share with you what I've learned, what I've picked up, so that when you come here, you're not making mistakes. You're getting it right the first time, and you're able to easily enjoy your vacation. The second group that I have a passion for are my solo cruisers. As you can see, I am the only one in this room right now, and I cruise often by myself. I think it is one of the most empowering things anybody can do, and I highly encourage you to give it a shot. It might be scary, but you can do this. The third thing that I like doing is bringing people together, and that includes bringing me to you and you to me. I love meeting people from the channel who recognize me on ships. I'm going to end every video with, hope to see you on a weekend cruise soon. And I mean that. If you are coming on a weekend cruise and you see me, please say hello. It is just me and a camera most of the time. I am just talking to a camera. It is me as a solo cruiser in this room. And I love being reminded that there's people out there watching this content, making big decisions based on this content and trusting me with their cruise vacation and enjoying their cruise vacation. So I love making it real and bringing us all together. We can also do that through some group cruises. So make sure you're going into the description below, signing up for the group cruise newsletter so you know where you can come and hang out with Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser. So I hope that sets the right expectation for what you can expect here at the Weekend Cruiser. If there's ever a video that you want, this is also a great video. You can comment on the bottom. If I've not made a video on it, let me know if you want to hear about that. I love getting ideas from you all so that I can bring you content that you want to see. All right, everybody, this is Brandon, the Weekend Cruiser. I'm going to see you on a weekend cruise soon.